Hi class, this is grade 4 math. In today's video, we'll start exercise 5.3. Here is the first bit. Find the quotient and the remainder. So what we have to do, we have to find the quotient and the remainder. First question is 653 divided by 9. Okay, 653 divided by 9. This is the first question. So let us solve this. Okay, so this is our first question. Exercise 5.3, first bit, first question, 653 divided by 9. So let us start the solution. Okay. Ones, tens, 100. Okay. So let us start with the highest digit value. Okay. So 6. So we cannot divide 6 from 9. So let us take two numbers, 65. Okay. So 9 sevens are 63. Okay, 9 sevens are 63. What we have to do here? We have to do the subtraction. 65 minus 63 is 2. Okay, 65 minus 63 is 2. So we should bring this 3 down. Okay, so now this become 23 because we cannot divide 2 from 9. So we have to bring this 3 down. Okay, in ones place only. Okay, so this becomes 23. Okay, so 9 twos are 18. Okay, 9 twos are 18. So 23 minus 18 is 5. Okay, so 23 minus 18 is 5. Now there is no number left here. Okay, so this 5 becomes remainder and this 72 becomes quotient. Okay, now this 72 becomes quotient and this 5 become remainder. So what they said, we have to find the quotient as well as the remainder. So our quotient is 72 and remainder is 5. Okay, this is our first question. Let us solve the second question. 441 divided by 2. This is first bit, second question. Okay. Okay, ones, tens, 100. Okay, 2 twos are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. We should bring this 4 down. Again, 2 twos are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Okay, 4 minus 4, 0. So we should bring this 1 down. Okay, so we cannot divide 1 from 2. So what we have to do? We have to write 0 in the quotient place. And we should consider this 1 as remainder and this 220 as quotient. Okay, because we cannot divide 1 from 2. So what we are doing? We are writing 0 in the quotient in ones place. Okay, ones, tens, 100. Okay, and we are considering this 1 as remainder. Okay, here quotient is 220 and remainder is 1. Okay, this is our first bit. Okay, so third one you do as your homework. Okay, third problem you do as your homework. Okay, so let us start the second bit. Okay, this is the second bit. Find the quotient and verify your answer. First question is 9604 divided by 6. Okay, so 9604 divided by 6 is the first question. So let us solve this solution. Okay, 9604 divided by 6. Okay, so ones, tens, 100, 1000. Let us start with the highest digit, that is 1000. So 6 ones are 6. Okay, so 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay, 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay, so we cannot divide 3 from 6. So we have to bring this 6 down. Now this become 36. Okay, so 6 6 are 36. Okay, 6 6 are 36. So 36 minus 36, 0. Okay, 36 minus 36, 0. So next we have to bring this 0 down. Okay, so we cannot divide 0 from 6. So what we have to do? We have to write this 0 in the quotient place. Okay, so we have to write this 0 in the quotient place in. Okay, so we have to write this 0 in the quotient place. Next, which number is left here? 4. So we should bring this 4 again down. Okay, again this also we cannot divide 4 from 6. So what we have to do? We have to write again one more 0 in the quotient place in ones place. Okay, now another 0 in tens, and this 6 in hundred place, and 1 in thousand place. Okay, so we cannot divide 4 from 6. So what we are doing? We are writing here 0 in the quotient place, and this 4 we are considering as remainder. Okay, what we are considering this 4? This 4 we are considering as remainder, and this 1600 we considering as quotient. Okay, so next what we have to do? We have to verify the answer. So let us do the verification. Okay, let us do the verification. In order to check our solution is correct or not, what we have to do? We have to do the verification. Okay, dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so this 6 is divisor, and this 9604 is dividend. Okay, so what we have to do? Dividend equals to divisor into quotient. Our divisor is 6. Quotient is 1600. Remainder is 4. So firstly we have to multiply 1600 into 6. 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0. 6 6 are 36. 6 here, 3 carry here. 6 ones are 6 plus 3, 9. 9600 we got. Okay, 9600 plus 4. Okay, so 9604. So this is dividend. Yes or not? 9604. So this is dividend. So our answer is correct. Our answer is correct, and we verified. Okay, so like this we have to solve this. Okay, you do remaining as your homework. If you are, just you try it. If you are not getting no issues, I will send the notes. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.